Lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I am here with a luxury unboxing of a Fendi item that I actually have been searching for about 2 years now. So before I share this item with you, I want to give you a little backstory behind the item. So it is no longer in production, so it is no longer being sold in stores or on Fendi website or anything like that. But when this item came out, me and my girlfriend who also loves luxury designer items, we typically gravitate towards the same items sometimes. So when this particular item came out, she went out and bought it immediately. Me and her kind of, you know, shared some texts about, you know, how we like the item, how we love the item. So she basically hit the button and bought the item. Me, on the other hand, I stalled in buying the item. I didn't buy it immediately when it came out. So this same girlfriend, she was also a buyer for Neiman's at one point in time. So I will say maybe like a year or two later, could have been a year later, this item went on sale for a couple of $100s. And she called me and she told me, she said, I'm letting you know that it's on sale. And they have your size available, which is a 7.5. And she said, if you want me to go ahead and order it for you, let me know. And I don't know why I didn't let her go ahead and order the item, because I want to say it was like $500 at the time, you know, and I don't know if I was just being cheap or what the case may be, but I never ordered the item. So here we are, I'm gonna say 3 or 4 years later, and I had been searching for them. I actually reached out to her. She's probably about a half a size bigger than me in shoe size, because it is a pair of shoes. And I actually reached out to her and I say, if you are ever sell your Fendi sneakers, let me know, because I will buy them. And she immediately told me, oh no ma'am, I will not be selling my sneakers. She said, I just had them on the other day. And she agreed that it's basically a timeless designer piece. She said, I am so glad that I bought them shoes. And she said, I will not be selling them or getting rid of them, because I had been looking for them. And I did find them on Poshmark, but the person wanted $900 for them. They didn't even cost $900 when they came out. So I kind of reached out to the person that was selling them and asked them, you know, are you willing to negotiate? They were not willing to negotiate. They said their price was firm. I think that the listing has been up probably a year or two. So it really doesn't make sense to pay over retail for a pre-loved item unless you want it just that bad. I did not want it that bad. So I continued to search, maybe every week or maybe every month, but I continued to search for this item and I found it. So I am a size 7.5. This is a size 8, which I'm glad I did go a half size up, because it is a little bigger, but the shoe is snug. So I actually needed an 8 instead of a 7.5. 7.5 would have been right on point, but I'm glad I have the additional room. So are you ready to see the item that I have been looking for 2 years, lifestyle lovers? 2 years I've been looking for this item. And I don't know, I don't really buy pre-love that much, but when I do, the pre-love luxury gods must be looking out for me, because I either get my pre-love items brand new or worn once or twice. So these are practically brand new. They don't look like they've ever been worn, but the seller did advise they wore them like once or twice, and pretty much they've been in storage since then. So are you ready? Are you ready to see these Fendi sneakers? Oh my god. You know what? I have something else to say. I have been so intentional with my luxury purchase lately, and I am so excited about these shoes. I mean, so excited. So if you are buying stuff lately and you're not getting like excited about it, leave it in the store or leave it online. Don't push the button, don't buy it, because I'm so excited about these shoes. Okay, all right, I've talked enough. Okay, lifestyle lovers. These Fendi sneakers, I don't even know. I think they're called, oh, they are the, I think they're the Zuka Fendi Roma sneakers in a size 8. I've been looking for these for so long. For so long. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom sole. Now the seller did advise that they wore them like once or twice and they've been in storage, but they look like they have never been worn. Never. Look at that. Look at that. So it comes with like the comes with a set of the fat black shoelaces, and then I have the skinny ones in there, and it also comes with, I think I took the dust bags out, but it comes with 2 dust bags for each shoe. And yeah, so I think that's it. I'm so excited about these shoes. So I actually paid for them what I would have paid originally when they went on sale at Neiman's years ago. I think they got as low as probably about $300 at Saks, but you know, I never was able to take the opportunity of that low price. But I am so happy that I have these sneakers. These will stay in my collection for a long time. I do not ever see me selling these. And I just recently sold my Fendi Rococo over the knee boot on Poshmark. I'll kind of like list it up here so you guys can see it. And I did pretty good on that sale because I was able to get back more than 50% of what I paid for these boots. And they were very expensive. And not even a week later, I found these pre-loved, brand new, whatever. I'm so happy about this purchase, lifestyle lovers, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So you will be seeing me rocking these, and I wanted to share them with you guys before I put them in motion. I may even put them on today, so check Instagram for a photo, because there may be a photo today of me wearing these sneakers. But like I said, I don't buy pre-loved a lot, but I just want to tell you guys, if you buy pre-loved and you're looking for an item that's no longer in production, do not stop looking. Make sure, you know, you check Poshmark. Make sure you check eBay. eBay has an authentication program now where they authenticate items. They come to their authentication site, I guess, if it's over a certain amount. Poshmark does also have an authentication program if it's over a certain amount. I want to say $500. I check Tradesy, I check Fashion File. Now what I noticed with Fashion File and Tradesy is the prices are typically higher, so I would prefer to, you know, shop on Poshmark. But just always check. Just never stop looking. Make sure you ask questions. Like I say, I don't buy a lot of pre-loved stuff. I'm not the pre-loved expert, but there is other videos here on YouTube that that you can check out for, you know, people that buy pre-loved a lot. But this was a pre-loved purchase that went so right. I'm so excited about these shoes, and I've been looking for them for years, literally. But that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I just wanted to share that story with you guys and share my new pre-loved purchase with you guys. I do still wear heels, but not as often. I kind of go for comfort now with my shoes, so I know I will be wearing these a lot because they are comfortable. I'm glad I went a half size up because I can kind of wear them with thick socks if I want to. But that's it. I just wanted to share this with you guys, and I'm so excited. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.